This is a simple video for the patient to know how to use a hearing aid. I'm Ananya, audiologist working at Anvi Hearing Solutions. Yeah, this is your hearing aid. This is the part which sits behind the patient ear, and this is the part which should be inserted in the patient's ear totally. Okay, when you have two hearing aids, red color always indicates right, and blue one always indicates left. And if you're using a rechargeable hearing aid, then you will have a charger like this, just connect it to the socket and place your hearing aids in this manner. Like this, and you'll get your light here. If it's orange, that means it's charging. If it's all the three green, that means the battery is full. You can remove the charger. So for every 18 hours, you have to put it to charge for 4 hours. Okay, so you just have to remove it when it's charged. Automatically the hearing aid will be off when you put it inside the charger. Okay, if you're using a battery operated hearing aid, you just hold it like this and use your thumb to remove the battery. Do not use your nails because that can damage the machine. So when you're removing it, just hold it like this and remove it. Okay, to place the battery, you have a battery strip like this. One strip will have 6 batteries inside. When you're using, just remove the back socket like this. Take one battery at a time. Just peel the sticker off, and always remember the sticker part which is peeled off with a plus mark on it, the flat surface should always come up. If you're seeing it, just put it, the flat surface should always come up, and close the hearing aid. Whenever the patient is not using the hearing aid, it's always better to open the hearing aid and keep. In that way, the hearing aid will be switched off, and every time the patient uses the hearing aid, it can be switched on. This is the receiver part, like I said before, and this is a tip, and this is the microphone, the 3 dots which you can see here. This is where the sound will be grasped, and this is the volume control. The volume control can also be given in the phone app, which is known as touch control app, or else the upper one is to increase the volume. When you press the upper button, the volume will be increased, and you press the below button, the volume will be decreased. It can be made as based on the comfortability of the patient. And this will be the box which you will be receiving with the hearing aid. Inside the box, you'll have a cleaning tip, you'll have a manual, and you'll have 2 boxes. I'll explain everything one by one. So the black box is first. Whenever the patient is not using the hearing aid, it's always recommended to remove the battery door of the hearing aid like this and place it inside the box and close it. This can be used on daily purpose, and it can be carried every time the patient goes wherever he's going. And the next box will be the white box. This is nothing but a dehumidifier box. It will absorb any moisture content in the hearing aid. It doesn't have to be like if it's drenched in rain or something. Even a sweat can also be accumulated in the hearing aid, which can be absorbed by the silica gel present here. It is blue. Later it will turn into pink. So every 3 months once, it should be kept either in the sunlight for 3 hours, or it can be microwaved for 1 minute. So when the patient is using, just remove this cover, place it in a box like this, and place the hearing aid here like this, and just close the box. This should be done weekly one night. And please remember, when you keep it in the box, it's better to remove the battery out and just keep the machine inside. This has to be done weekly once. And this is a user guide. This has all the information on how to remove the battery door and everything. And this will be the safety manual. This is a cleaning set. The cloth can be used to wipe off anything from the hearing aid, any dust or moisture content. And also you'll have a brush. So if a wax or something is accumulated here, then the patient might not hear because of the obstruction caused. So use this brush every 2 to 3 days once and clean this part very gently. Okay, this should be done every 2 to 3 days once. And this will be the warranty card. This will have the serial number and also the patient name and the sign. This should be kept very safely and should be brought during the time of servicing. And this is a hearing aid I said before. Any doubts? You can see it clearly now. I think this tutorial was enough on how to do the care and maintenance of hearing aid. For any other further queries, you can contact me on my clinic number. Thank you.